What is up, you guys? My name is Janibell, or Janibell if you're Dominican, and today's video is going to be a little different, or a lot different, because I definitely don't be cleaning on this channel. But today's video is going to be a little clean with me, a home office edition. I'm privileged enough to have one of these, and you know, in these times of self-quarantining and social distancing, I figured, why not? But yeah, don't forget to subscribe before you leave and give me a thumbs up if you like this style of video. If you guys want to see, you know, me tidying up this space, then let's get to cleaning. I wanted to start with the Vanity just to get all of the glass cleaning out of the way, and I tend to just dump all of my new makeup and PR on here, so I want to get out of that habit so I can use the space more. This area is a little hectic just because I am still trying to figure out what to put back there. It's my current filming situation, so I wanted to find like a ton of little knickknacks to just decorate the area. A lot of this stuff I got from TJ Maxx. Now I know what you're thinking, these drawers are a mess, sis. Well, I never said this was an organization video, you know, but I'm still trying to figure out the best way to organize each drawer, and until I come up with a plan, I'm not going to buy anything. The way I have it set up right now is just all the drawers on the left are makeup, and then all the drawers on the right are skincare. So each drawer is like exclusively powders, foundation, and then I have a drawer for moisturizers, face masks. You get the idea.
watching Glee while I was, you know, cleaning around and stuff. But this is the desk where I answer emails, where I edit most of my videos. Sometimes I'll edit on my laptop, but I really like to just sit at the desk and edit because I feel like it helps me focus a lot more. Also, if you love Glee, this was the Michael Jackson episode. One of my favorites, hands down. It was just so well done. This is yet another table where I just dump a lot of stuff on. This is my filming table, so I usually just have it in front of me with all the products that I'm going to use. And let's just say there are too many makeup stains on this table, so it needs a cleaning. As you can see here, I like to store my hair products on these bookshelves, and I'm pretty sure you can tell that there's almost no room left. So I'm definitely looking into getting more storage so that I can just get this situated because there's just way too much product on here. Alright, so this is probably my favorite part of this whole cleaning just day, because this vacuum, I had ordered it off Amazon and it came in that day. I was just so excited to test it out, and it's so much better than my old vacuum. Like, I had a basic $20 vacuum that just did the absolute minimum, so major upgrade here. That's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I will see you guys in the next video.